how to check to see how much storage does the Apple Watch 9 have. So first, let's go back to your watch face by pressing on the crown button. Then press on the crown button again to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on General. Then tap on About. Next, we scroll down, and in here, you'll be able to find the storage capacity for your Apple Watch. Now on this Apple Watch, it shows 64 GB. You can also find this information on the iPhone as well with the iPhone that you have pair your Apple Watch with. In here, you can go to your app library. So go to the app library, then open up the Apple Watch app. In here, go down and tap on My Watch, then tap on General, then tap on About. And from here, you'll be able to find the capacity or the total storage for your Apple Watch, which is 64 GB on my watch. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.